Minglaba, welcome back to Gold Burmese language lessons. I'm going to talk about today's lesson 29 is Introduction to Burmese alphabet. Before start the lessons, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's get started. If you want to be able to read and write in Burmese, then the first step is learning the alphabet. This can be daunting at first, but with the right resources you will master it in no time. Burmese is written from left to right and doesn't require the use of any spaces between words. Modern writing does often include spaces to help with readability. How many letters are there in Burmese alphabet? The Burmese alphabet is an abugida, which means each letter is made up of a consonant and a vowel. This is different to English, while each letter is either a consonant or a vowel. The Burmese alphabet contains 33 letters. These letters indicate the consonant of that sound. These letters can be modified with a glyph known as a diacritic. This indicates the sound that will follow the consonant. These diacritics can be before, after, above or below the letter. As an example, the letter Ka represents the sound K. This symbol can be altered to Ki. The letter cycle above the letter changes the sound to Ki. There are many variations of each letter which indicate a different sound. This might sound a little complicated, but many ways to help you learn Burmese alphabet. So, let's learn Burmese alphabet on coming next lessons by simple way. I will coming back to you the next lessons step by step also. Hope you enjoy Gold Burmese language lessons. Thanks for watching. Jesu Demare. Jesu Demare.